That was red hot. That's insane.
Sometimes you need a real man to do a job. That's why I'm a man to the job.
Just one! The things we do for GUC. She's halfway through her transformation. Can't wait to see the before and after. Just taking the mirrors off to do some bit of a respray, make them nice and fresh and black. It'll look lovely.
Let's not be lazy with GUC. He deserves the best.
She. It's no he, it's a she.
So you're gonna buff it, or you're gonna paint it?
No, I'm gonna buff. It's getting buffed. The mirror arms are getting painted black.
Like a flat black.
Take a roof rack off? I worry that it's been on so long that maybe it's not in.
Fuck, let's just pull this out as well. Paint that.
No, that's just trim detail.
Pull the whole glass off. It's perfect around.
I don't do manual labour, so I leave this stuff to him. I'm hopeless at it. Another quality purchase, 2019 Ranger, big belly 3.2 XLT with some gear in the form of a little nudge bar here, black wheels, premium interior, so full leather, and a $9,500 Piranha tray on it. Suspension as well, Sil?
Suspension, heavy duty leaf springs. I think I'll probably go 30 grand. Or touch, just because it's got a key.
If you'd just like to zoom in on his shoes, they're the kicking boots that he's got on today. Every single car he's annihilating.
Nowhere near enough.
No.
Sorry, I just like the profit.
Too much.
You don't get profit when you don't buy the car.
How much did you pay for it then?
You don't get profit looking at it, do you? Do you get profit looking at it?
How much?
30 grand. I'm not selling money back.
I nick cars! I nick cars!
Nah, I don't ever get pumped. I normally get the chicken shitty. They're good here.
Yeah, I'll put that over my left side.
Yeah, I don't like the pumped here.
Thanks, mate.
It's just bullshit.
The right side looks terrible.
Oh, Maddie, I should show you this video.
Maddie, Jacob, you're going to have to swap seats. Right?
What?
So he can only film his good side.
No, you can do it.
That's fine. He can keep talking to you only. No issues.
Mercedes-Benz Gold Coast.
Show us these photos.
No, let's
Is
not.
this the video of him?
Yeah.
He's
Talk
got
about
this.
his good side.
Wait. What the? Oh shit.
We're still at the same side.
What did he say?
Man, you
I
guys
said you can only film my good side.
Nothing's changed after all these years.
No, and we always fight when we go to take photos because we like the same side.
with a dream.
Yeah.
Nothing
I
wrong
wish
with
I'd come over here with more money, to be honest.
that. Oh, really?
Yeah, because I travelled for a bit first,
Yeah.
spent all my money,
Oh,
and,
did you?
then rocked up here, and I was like, oh, kind of wish I'd just come here first.
Yeah, we're out of ceramic coat.
Use all the ceramic coat on this.
I have used all the ceramic coat on GUC. Out. Empty.
Viewers, if this ever has a paint issue, I'm coming to AutoSmart because that was about $100 worth of ceramic coat in this thing.
GUC deserves the best, Julian. GUC has lasted this long. Deserves the ceramic coating. You can't call GUC a she.
Okay, he is now in retirement.
Let's have a vote in the comments. Is GUC a he or a she? Yeah, fair enough. You know what, Jules? The ones I bought yesterday you can use because they weren't right for GUC anyway. There's nut and bolt outside, I think. But it's all out.
Just one.
They're man.
Nothing wrong with them.
Other than they're
Go on, what?
What's you
About
Lola in your room, please, and go to Bunnings real quick.
Sill's already out.
Out where?
Just can't afford to stamp the book. You can call him and go to Bunnings.
Oh, alright.
Big moods. I think he's emotional about GUC. There's nothing wrong with the bolts that came out of it.
He's emotional
They're the
about his
same
bolts.
size. They're going to be silver, not black.
But they
They'll
aren't the
stand out like
ones
dog balls.
who had his mind.
Guy with.
You know!
Why do you want to have the Dagwood dog guy on display?
How is that part of GUC?
That's horrific.
How
Can I
long-
just put this on top of it?
How long has he been the Dagwood dog guy? And it's Daggle dog.
No one's going to know what that is.
It's a Daggle dog. No, that's gotta go in the glass, man.
You reckon?
Yeah. Or on the left side or something.
Nowhere fucking
Nowhere
near.
near.
Right.
Right. Right. Right. Right. Right. Right. Right. Oh, right about there, yeah.
We have bought like another 3 or 4 cars today.
We're doing okay. Can you just put the top run next to you?
I'm not sure what my man's in a mood.
Yay us.
Yes.
Oh man. Check out the visibility on her.
Gleaming.
I do apologise. Pays for you for a few days.
Yeah, fair enough.
I knew I'd get a comment out of you.
A
Trust
car of this
you.
nature, beautiful, deserves a media.
Fuck off now. Just for that, you're driving the Barina to Brisbane.
Oh, starts up like a dream.
$18 seconds of manual labour.
Shut up, would you?
24 seconds. He's doing well. Might need some Panadol after this.
No, I can't squeeze it, man. I don't know, I'm doing something wrong. I can get it on there, but I can't squeeze it hard enough that it won't spin. Here you go. Stop looking at me,
30
stupid.
seconds of manual.
Coming from the bloke just using a drill. Okay. Let's see how long he takes. Just
What's going in? Mate,
Sometimes you need a real man to do a job.
that's why I'm on the end of the drill.
pop the hood. 2JZ.
So you just want the middle bit and you don't want the side bits?
Yeah.
Because that's crap. You know you can just buy a new one, yeah?
How good.
Let's go. Done and dusted.
2 days of your life.
So look, this is the result. Looks good. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know, I always thought $4,000 was the best $4,000 you spent was on that IS. I think it's been replaced. Are you tire shining it?
Oh man. Look at the shine on it.
Still in the sun.
Because I'm fucking waiting for him. He wants to hang right on the end.
That was almost a Sylvester special.
What car was that again?
The Hilux.
The Hilux. Yeah.
Can you just straighten it up? You see what I have to deal with every day.
That's straight.
The stupidity.
Pretty straight, Jules.
The sheer stupidity. Right!
Go forward or back. Come on, go.
I can't do it while you're moving forward.
The owners of the business are more interested in this cheap old Hilux than any of the supercars we have laying around. And it's true, to some extent.
Catching looks from everyone in this.
Got no choice, mate. Guck's gleaming. Caught his eye.
That's how much tire shine you put on it.
She locks up. ABS brake. These supercuts have still got 40 thou left in them.
Oh, we've got to see what bulbs.
Yeah.
Because the rears are LEDs. So I reckon the LEDs don't.
We need to
work.
change the flasher cam.
The what?
The flasher cam.
I'm not sure if that's a real thing or not. I'm just talking rubbish.
You changed the flasher?
Yeah, we changed the wiper fluid. Yeah.
You're an idiot.
Wiper fluid's
The
an actual thing.
blinker fluid. Mate, I'll settle down around the corners and we'll keep going straight at the rate you put tire shine on.
It's crazy that it's petrol, yet only goes to 6,000 RPM.
Yeah, because they're so
Well built.
low power, low torque, but big reliability.
Nah.
What? Not a big deal. It'll be outside. I'm putting the windows up for the first time in 25 years.
Guck doesn't know what's hit him. Him. It's not her. You can't call it Guck and call it her. It's a him.
Any military vessel or ship was always called her. It's a female.
This isn't a military ship.
You're right, it's better than that.
Exactly. So that's why it becomes a him.
How does she drive now she's fully detailed?
Oh, well, she's lost a couple of kilos in dirt, so she is flying.
I
That's what I would say. It's a he do.
just off the steering wheel, he's lost.
Come out, dude.
He's lost a couple of kilos.
I reckon we have a celebratory bubble tea from Gongcha.
Let's do it.
I need a QQ passion fruit. They were frothing, Guck. They were frothing, Guck.
That was red hot. That's insane. Oh man, you have the confidence that you just can't get. You have that unteachable stuff.
He really does.
Oh man.
Fortitude Valley, man.
Oh shit. The one we always go to.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, the double downshift. Come on.
Generally.
This hadn't.
No.
Cosmetically.
But it's Hey, enough said. You don't send a ute to do a Hilux job. We should be in their marketing team, actually. We should. We should be the marketing team.
Snatches the snaps for.
Can you ask everyone what they want from bubble tea and text it through?
Yeah, will do.
And ask Ben. And if he's too shy and doesn't want one, just ask him what fruit he likes. Or ask him if he likes passion fruit or something.
Yeah, okay. No worries.
Oh, I'm driving, gotta go.
Cool.
I clunked on that just so you know.
Oh, that's my missus. She had a I hope that's on camera.
She's a female. and
Madison,
therefore
I
she's a bitch.
am
Turn right.
apologetic on his behalf
Turn
because that was
right.
disgusting. Has no respect for women, this bloke.
Hot calling the kettle black.
You're not allowed to say that. Stop calling the kettle coloured.
This turned from $4.5 grand badly spent to, sorry, 4.25 badly spent to very well spent. Absolutely. Oh, well, let's see, Frankie boy. He's so confused.
He's like, what the fuck is that?
You're going to take it to QR.
Oh, we should.
Lakeside.
Nah, Lakeside's too small for her. She needs fucking long straight.
2 days is insane.
Well,
It looks mint.
considering it probably didn't look like it'd been cleaned in 301,000 Ks and since back in 02, he's done very well.
Alright, you reckon you can get it sideways around the roundabout up ahead?
No.
Why?
That'd just be silly.
Oh, would it? Okay.
She is now gleaming.
So if I went and sprayed water on it,
You could put that shit on it for 3 years, it wouldn't go anywhere near that
You
coat
just
of
go-
paint.
it's gone.
Dust. Miracle made it. That'll be that's called his name. Maybe don't film him to still be asked.
Yeah.
Guckers come home.
Soft closed doors,
A
unfortunately.
little soft serve or something would go down a tree.
Really?
No.
What you got against the soft serve?
I'm trying to lose weight. Might get a Celsius.
Get to blur a lot out of that video.
Just saying the gearbox. Bob like this gearbox.
Car's new.
On the way you drove.
Mate, you could start this thing in. You braked earlier and my water bottle went flying. No water bottles went flying then, buddy. But nice try. You could start in 5th gear and this thing wouldn't have an issue.
That's not true.
It'd stutter, it wouldn't stall.
It would stall.
You reckon?
5th gear it would stall.
Let's try it.
Didn't stall though.
That's because you hadn't released the clutch yet.
I had slightly. Snap third. I'm gonna have to concede for 2nd place here, I'm afraid. No traction, no ABS. Yeah, I don't want to overwhelm the Supercats with too much Hilux power. No, he's flying. Up to the speed limit, of course, no faster.